In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer files from Google Drive to Microsoft OneDrive. We'll use a simple, reliable method that works right inside your web browser. Download your files from Google Drive, then upload them to OneDrive. This keeps things straightforward and avoids extra tools. Start by signing in to Google Drive in a web browser. Use any modern browser and make sure your internet connection is stable, especially if you are moving a lot of data. Once you are in, head to the folder where your files live. You can select individual files, entire folders, or hold Shift or Control to select multiple items at once. When you've got everything highlighted, right-click and choose Download. Google Drive will prepare a compressed zip file for you. For large selections, this can take a while, so keep the tab open and let it finish. When the download starts, your browser will save the zip to your default Downloads folder unless you choose a different location. If you see multiple zip files, that's normal for very large transfers. After the download completes, locate the zip file on your computer. You'll need to extract it before uploading. On most systems, you can just double-click to open it and then drag the contents out to a new folder. On Windows, you can also right-click the zip and select Extract All, then pick a destination. Make sure you have enough free space for the unzipped content, and keep the extracted folder easy to find on your desktop or Documents area. Inside, you'll see your original folder structure preserved. Files that originated as Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides will be downloaded in compatible formats like Docs, XLSX, and PPTX so you can open them in Microsoft apps later. Next, open your OneDrive account in a browser and sign in. Navigate to the folder where you want these files to live, or stay in the root if you prefer. To upload, you can drag and drop the extracted files or entire folders straight into the OneDrive window. Alternatively, click the Upload button and choose Files or Folder. Then browse to the extracted location on your computer. Keep the browser open while OneDrive uploads and processes everything. You'll see progress indicators as it works. If you are prompted about items with the same name, choose whether to replace, keep both, or skip as needed. When the upload finishes, spot-check a few documents to confirm they open correctly and that your folders look the way you expect. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.